So naturally, we'll begin with the first room, which is the setup room. And in the setup room, there are 5 tabs, and these are the different areas that you can control to set up your project and your general user settings. Starting on the left here is the Shots tab, and this shows a list of all of the clips that are in your project. You can view that in icon view or in a list view, and I'll show you some things that we'll use this for later in the lesson here. But for now, just to get a sense, this is a glimpse at the list of clips in your show. If you select one over here, it becomes selected here, and so forth. It's a live connection between what's going on in the timeline and here in the shots list. This grades tab we'll come back to once we have some grades in there. The project settings, this shows you all of the settings specific to your project. So, for example, you can set the directory where files will be saved. We can change the name of the colorist, and I'll change that now. The client will leave as Apple. This is where you determine the frame rate, the resolution, the width and height of the screen, etc. The render file type, whether you want to output to QuickTime files or to DPX numbered or Cineon numbered still images. You can choose whether to export in the original format or into one of the ProRes formats or uncompressed and so forth. We'll come back to all this when we're actually dealing with the output, but just to give you a glimpse of where this is, we're in the Project Settings tab of the Setup room. And then finally on the right here, the Broadcast Safe setting. This is nice that this is a global control that applies to your entire project. Broadcast Safe, when it's turned on, will prevent you from ever creating illegal values. So, for example, the white lights in this could be completely overexposed, but the Broadcast Safe setting will prevent you from ever having overexposed or extra chroma information in your image, which would be illegal to broadcast on television. Lastly, I'll just look at briefly the User Preferences tab, and this is the user preferences for color for the whole program. Things like your default directories where things are saved, the colors of the various scopes, and various other settings. Again, we'll come back to these as we need them through the course of the lessons here. But this is where it's found here in the Setup room, the User Preferences tab.